Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Nikumaki Onigiri, rice balls wrapped with thinly sliced beef and cooked in sweet soy sauce. These are the ingredients. You will need thinly sliced beef cut for sukiyaki or shabu-shabu found at Asian supermarkets. Or you can slice a half-frozen beef using a sharp knife at home. For more information on the ingredients and complete recipe, visit our website japanesecooking101.com. Add a couple of pinches of salt to the steamed rice and mix. And take about a half cup of rice and moisten the hands with water and make a cylinder-shaped onigiri rice ball, about 3 inches long. Repeat to make 5 onigiri rice balls. Take a thinly sliced beef and spread it on a cutting board. And we are going to wrap each rice ball with the meat. You can add another slice of beef if one is not enough to cover the surface. In a small bowl, mix soy sauce, sake, mirin, sugar, and water, and set aside. Heat oil in a frying pan at medium-high heat and place the wrapped rice balls. Turn occasionally and cook until the beef is browned all around. Add the sauce mixture to the pan, coating the beef, and cook until almost all the liquid is gone. Serve with the lettuce leaves if you like, and sprinkle with some sesame seeds. You can wrap the onigiri with lettuce or eat by itself. This is great for weekend lunch or dinner anytime. You could make mini-size ones and serve as appetizers too. Enjoy!
美味しいね。